Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will share on the top TikTok hacks you need to know. The top 5 TikTok hacks. As you all know, like I told you from the previous video, TikTok has become one of the most popular social media platform, and these hacks will help you take your TikTok game to the next level. So before I continue, make sure you click on the like video, and don't forget to subscribe and activate the notification bell for more helpful videos. If you want me to bring more tutorial videos, so let's get started. So we're gonna talk about the top 5 TikTok hacks. One of the best way to use your TikTok video notice is by using trending sounds. Yes, so you know that using trending sounds can be easy. It can be the most easiest way to use it whenever you use any kind of trending sound like songs, music, or clips, or using AI voice or whatever. You know, and the TikTok already made favors videos that use popular. So make sure you keep an eye on the trending sound section and incorporate them into your videos. Another way of top TikTok hacks is to use hashtag wisely. Using a hashtag, it can be a great way to get your video discovered on TikTok. It is important to use them wisely. Use a regularly hashtag that are related to your video, and avoid using too many hashtags as this can make your video to look spammy. Another TikTok hack is to use text overlays. Adding a testing overlays to TikTok videos here can be a good way to make them more engaging and informative. So you use a text overlay to highlight key points your videos, or you add a captions videos into your videos. A video by reaching a more wider audience to your views, your followers, more engagement, and you definitely get more more followers, views whatsoever. And check on the video description. I'm on TikTok. My TikTok handle is Organic Davidson. Follow me, like my videos, and comment wherever you want. Don't too like my videos. Just like at least 5 or 6, or otherwise the TikTok will remove it. Another top TikTok hacks is to post a trending TikTok videos. Posting a trending TikTok videos is a great way when it comes to grow your TikTok audience and your followers. So post any kind of content you like, so that your viewers or your followers will know what to expect and know what type of content are interested in engaging, like gaming, tutorials, fashion, communities, documentaries, film trailers, vlogs, cooking, cooking, football predictions, comedies, football predictions, or anything like let's say like sports news, like Fabrizio Romano, an Italian journalist, post some sport news on all the social media because he's a news and a reporter. Or you can post any kind of let's say like aviation news, like funny things and memes and so on, etc. This will help you get more views to attract more or new followers. They do this to get more views, grow your audience, and get more followers. Lastly, the final top TikTok hack is to promote your TikTok account on all that social media platform. Yes, that's an idea. But you know that promoting your TikTok account on the social media platform can be a great. It's an easy way to promote, and it's the trick that you ask your followers to engage and to engage and they might follow you. You can use TikTok ads to increase more audience and to increase your reach. But remember that the consistency is the only most crucial in other way to gain more followers on TikTok. And so there you have it. So that's the top 5 TikTok hacks you need to know. If you are a TikToker and you want to and if you want to be a TikToker and you want to learn by using those TikTok hacks, you can do this by yourself, and the TikTok algorithm will love you. So do this by incorporating these hacks, using trendy hashtag wisely, post trendy TikTok videos, promote your TikTok account on other social media, use trendy sounds hashtag by using into your TikTok strategy, and watch how your followers are going. Watch how your followers are going on TikTok. If you wanna know more about the advanced TikTok tips and tricks, then I suggest you to watch this next video over here. But before you do that, make sure you like and subscribe to this channel and turn on post notification for more upcoming analysis content so that you won't miss it out. Then you can now watch it here, and don't forget to comment the next video if you understand, if it works and if it is helpful. And catch you guys in the next video.